Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to customize floating notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to notifications. Go to notifications and go to advanced settings, and here you will find floating notifications option. Just click that. By default it is set to bubbles. If you would like to use other option, click on smart pop-up view, so that floating notifications will appear as smart pop-up view. Okay, included apps here, you can include apps for smart pop-up view. Just you can turn on the button against particular apps. Here I turn on for messages, WhatsApp, camera and Chrome. Okay, even for Facebook I have turned on smart pop-up view. Okay, go back, and those apps will have smart pop-up view. Okay, suppose if you want to turn off completely floating notifications, keep it in first option off, so that floating notifications will be turned off. Okay, if you would like to keep in default notifications option, just click on this second option, bubbles, so that floating notifications will appear as a bubbles, like this. Okay, see here the preview. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize floating notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.